Most people think that plant-based diets are really good. Well, I don't know. What do you think? Well, the truth is that plant-based diets can be the best diets on the planet. They can be really, really excellent. However, because plant-based idea or concept, like everything else, has become commercialized, so what that means is that they take things that are coming from plants and they concentrate them and they chemicalize them and they refine them like everything else in the food industry, and they take something that initially had health properties, and not only do they make it unhealthy, but they actually cause disease. In fact, there's been studies that have come out quite recently that indicate that some of the most processed plant-based foods, the burgers and the cheeses and the breads and whatever, actually contribute to cardiovascular disease. And this is the big, claim that the vegan diet or the vegetarian diet is so great for the cardiovascular system. So some people have been hoodwinked into thinking anything plant-based is going to save your immune system, save your heart, prevent cancer, things like that. But we have to remember that if we're eating crap, if we're eating processed food with all kinds of highly, highly processed seed oils and sugars and refined grains and chemicals and pesticides, things like that, they're not healthy. So if you're eating a plant-based diet, it's really time to elevate our understanding of what's healthy. And it's really going to be based on whole foods, whole grains, whole vegetables, cooked properly, or raw foods. And this is the way to benefit the cardiovascular system, the organs, the liver, the blood, the heart. Eating healthy, plant-based whole foods is the way to go. But eating processed plant-based foods, highly, with, like I said, with seed oils and bad fats, so much sugar, that's going to cause disease. And in fact, the truth is, in many cases, it's going to be worse than an animal-based diet, the very thing that many people who are doing plant-based are trying to get away from. So the message here is eat clean as a plant-based eater, eat real food, and then you'll get tremendous benefits from eating a plant-based diet. My name is Jonathan Glass, and I'm a classical naturopath and an acupuncturist. Thanks so much.